Welcome to day 36 at Project Chief.
Today, we're going to finish all of the deck sleeper joist installs.
More importantly, I'm back.
Andy's back. Back again.
Guess who's back? Andy is back. And still talking quieter as the conversation goes on.
That is true. But what you don't have to worry about him doing is talking quietly during a time lapse. So,
Watch
enjoy.
the time lapse. We did it!
Yes, we did. All of our deck joists are in and they're taped. Why are they taped, Andy?
Because we care about this deck lasting. And it creates a barrier between the
Deck board?
deck board, joist, sleeper in this case, and the little tape. Because water, if it's not there, hangs out between those two and rots this guy out. Ooh, and it's sad.
And it gets real sad. So that's why we tape it. So that way the water, if it is sitting on top of it, it won't actually penetrate to the board. It will just kind of evaporate away or roll off in its happy little direction. So if you have any more questions about what we're doing, you can leave those questions in our comment section.
You could also like this video to help us out. We're going to reach 1,100 subscribers before the end of the year.
I sure hope so. So subscribe to this channel to be one of those subscribers.
Let's start over.
And no, we're going with it. Nope, too bad. And then ring the bell, because if you ring the bell, you'll get notifications, and that is a way you can keep watching us over and over and over again.
Action.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate you. Cut.
Because that one got weird.
How did it get weird?
I don't know, it did.
That was really good until you decided to start spinning in circles.
It was weird.
We did it!
We did it.
We did it!
No, I'm just. Oh, let's go get. I won't say that part. Oh,
Because rafters are in the ceiling. Penetrates up in there.
and
Just
rots out.
It just penetrates it.
Ugh. Ugh.
Think twice before you get yourself a pet. Because dogs are a big responsibility, and after like 10 years, you might regret doing it.
I hope that doesn't make the cut. That was 2 honest from John. But I also feel similar.